Hi, Dr. Josh Axe here, doctor of natural medicine and founder of draxe.com. Hey, let's talk about the top 5 essential oils to use when you're on a keto diet. I'm gonna tell you, the keto diet can reap big benefits for your brain, your metabolism, inflammation levels in the body, your energy, and a whole lot more. But when you combine the keto diet with the right type of essential oils, it can actually amplify your overall benefits. So I'm gonna go through my top 5 essential oils I've recommended to people I've cared for over the years and I use myself when I'm going keto. Number 1 essential oil you can benefit from on the keto diet is rosemary essential oil. Now, rosemary oil contains rosmaric acid, which actually acts on the brain to improve focus, memory, and reduce inflammation. Now, that surprises some people, but rosemary is one of the most anti-inflammatory herbs on the entire planet that can benefit your body. So remember, when you're on a keto diet, two big benefits, reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Well, rosemary does those two things as well. It supports your brain, your memory, your focus, and reduces inflammation as well. So that should be a go-to on the keto diet. What I would do is just put rosemary in a diffuser and have it diffusing around you, or put 2 to 3 drops on your hands, mix it with just a pinch of coconut oil, and rub it on your back of your neck and right here on the front of your neck. And again, and one other tip though too, one of my favorite uses to use rosemary oil. It's the number 1 essential oil for naturally thickening your hair. So if you do about 10 drops of rosemary oil with a little olive oil, like a teaspoon, rub it in your scalp, keep it on there for an hour or 2. You're gonna be getting the scent of rosemary, which is gonna help, as well as thickening your hair at the same time. Great 1-2 punch there, right? And using rosemary oil. Number 2, lavender essential oil. You know, when you're on a keto diet, you wanna really lower those stress hormones and help your body relax. Lavender oil can help you do just that. So I love using lavender oil topically. One of the things I had my patients do in the past that I care for, that I would have them do what I call a healing bath, where they would put in 1 cup of Epsom salts. Epsom salts have magnesium, and about 20 drops of lavender essential oil in a hot bath at night. And by doing that, it's very relaxing to the body, helps naturally balance hormones. But again, lavender is known as the relaxation and calming oil, which you can use topically, use it in a bath or a diffuser, and also can help you sleep better at night. So lavender is the perfect essential oil to take at night, right before you go to sleep when you're on the keto diet. Number 3 oil or essential oil you should consider taking on the keto diet is an oil that you can take internally, and it's turmeric essential oil or turmeric CO2 extract. So turmeric, if it's done as a CO2 oil, which is a little different than a distilled oil, is going to be very potent in compounds like curcumin and turmerone. Curcumin reduces inflammation. Turmerone actually helps with your body regenerating nerve stem cells and brain stem cells, so actually regenerates and heals your brain tissue. It's absolutely incredible. So what you're gonna do is you can look for turmeric CO2 oil, so that's what turmeric CO2 oil, and take it, or turmeric is actually liposomal as an oil as well, probably one of the most absorbable and powerful forms of turmeric in the world. So number 3 oil to use, or essential oil, is turmeric CO2 essential oil. Number 4 essential oil is holy basil oil, also known as Tulsi oil in Ayurveda and Ayurvedic medicine. But holy basil oil contains some really unique compounds, including eugenol, which is a powerful antioxidant. In fact, holy basil, in terms of its compounds, it's kind of like a mix between lavender and clove oil, but even more powerful as an adaptogen. Now, adaptogens help lower stress hormones and cortisol levels, so holy basil oil is the most powerful essential oil for lowering stress hormones, so it's a great one to be diffusing around your house all the time when you're on a keto diet. And last but not least here, in terms of essential oils go, frankincense. You know, frankincense contains pinene, which is anti-inflammatory, but also really supports the brain and nervous system. So what I love doing is, if I'm gonna pray and meditate in the morning, or just really focus on being grateful, I'll diffuse some frankincense oil. And I always say, when in doubt, use frankincense. You wanna know one of the best all around, if not the best overall frankincense oil or essential oil for your health? it's going to be frankincense. I use it topically, I diffuse it, or sometimes I'll do a single drop on my thumb and rub it on the roof of my tongue, on the roof of my mouth. But frankincense oil, for the overall benefits, is really big for supporting your brain, your nervous system, and again, inflammation. Now listen, you don't have to take all these oils, but even if you pick 1 or 2 of these, it can really benefit you on the keto diet. And hey, if you're not subscribed here to my channel, make sure to do so. I got a lot more great videos coming out on essential oils, herbal remedies, the keto diet, and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching this video on the top essential oils to use when you're going keto.